To disable or hide lock screen notification in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap lock screen thumbnail to customize your lock screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from your lock screen. To do so on your lock screen, long tap on an empty area and then enter your current screen lock. Now tap the lock screen notification bar and then select non-thumbnail at the bottom of the screen. To save the change, tap done button. To see the change you made, go to your lock screen. When there's a new notification, your phone will not display the notification on your lock screen. However, you can still see the notification by unlocking your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.